Okay, how are you? My name is Hastings Shimomba, and I'm going to present on the respiratory system in insect. So as you can see, this is the diagram for an insect. This is the grasshopper. So you can see this is the head, this is the thoracic, and this is the abdomen of an insect. So now, without wasting much of our time, let me now look at the respiratory system in insect. So similarly to aerobic animals, insect must also obtain oxygen from their environment and eliminate carbon dioxide respired by their cells. So the gaseous exchange occurs in insect by the means of internal air-filled structure called the trachea. So these tubes, in this case, I'm talking about the trachea, ramify or branch out through the body of an insect. So as you can see, this is the main branch, forming small branches, or the finest branch called the tracheos. So the finest branches called the tracheos are in contact with all internal organs and tissues and are numerous in tissues with high oxygen requirements. So air usually enters the trachea of an insect via spicular openings positioned laterally on the body of an insect. So when I say laterally, I mean just on the walls of the body, just the side of an insect here. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so now note that no insect has more than 10 pairs of spiracles. So it means all insects must have a maximum number of 10 spiracles. Doesn't matter, it can have two, but it's not supposed to exceed 10. So 2 are located on the thoracic and 8 are located on the what? On the abdomen or on the abdominal. Yeah, so as you can see here, as I said, this is the thoracic and this is the abdomen. The thorax and the abdomen. So here there must be 8 pairs, and here on the thoracic or on the thorax there must be 2 pairs of spiracles. Okay, let's go to the classification based on the number and location of functional spiracles of the tracheal system. So the first one, we have the horopneustic, which has 10 pairs of the functional spiracles. 2 are located on the thoracic, and the 8 are positioned on the abdomen of an insect. The example that I can give in this case is the bibionoid larvae, which is the young grasshopper. And the second one, we have the perineustic, which has 9 pairs of spiracles. One is located on the thoracic, and 8 are located on the abdomen. The example of such an insect is the caterpillar. The caterpillar. The third one is the heministic, which has 8 pairs of spiracles. One is positioned, or one is found on the thoracic, and 7 are found on the abdomen. The fourth one is the amphinuistic, which has 2 pairs. One is located on the thoracic, and the one is located on the postal abdomen. So when I say post abdomen, I mean just the end of the abdomen. Here, that's where it is located. The example of such an insect, it's a maggot. The maggot. Okay, the fifth one is the metanuistic, which has 1 pair on the posterior abdomen or the anterior. The example of insect is the wigra, which is the mosquito larvae. The sixth one is the pronistic, which has 1 pair anterior. The example that I can give for such an insect is the puparium. Okay, the seventh one is the hyponyustic, which has 10 pairs. So now pay attention here. It has 10 pairs, 7 are functional and 3 are non-functional. So the seven in these 7 functional spiracles, 1 pair is found on the thoracic, and the 6 pairs of spiracles are found on the or allocated on the abdomen of an insect. The example of such an insect is the head louse. The head louse is the example of such an insect. Okay, the eighth one is the anuistic. So in this, all spiracles are closed. Wow. The example of such an insect is the nereid of the mayfly.